primetime news this evening, Prime Minister Holness closes all BPOs for 14 days and tightens curfew hours. Another big jump, 27 new COVID-19 cases, 223 positive cases in total. 26 of the 27 new cases are from Olorica.
Also this evening, shock in the oil markets as prices fall below $0.
And one Spanish town community has one message for outsiders.
Hello and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories. We'll also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, our feedback question.
And tonight, we're asking, how are you and your family preparing yourselves to get through the COVID-19 crisis?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.